Hello viewers, I am Akash. So today we will discuss myeloglycoside group of antibiotics. Its name suggests means amino means amino group and glycoside means glycosidic linkage. So its classification is divided into four parts: broad spectrum, narrow spectrum, extended, and miscellaneous. Broad spectrum means it works on both gram positive and negative. Narrow spectrum means this work on gram negative bacteria. So here is some examples of different group as follows. Broad spectrum includes gentamicin. Narrow spectrum includes streptomycin. Extended include neomycin, and miscellaneous include aparamycin and spectinomycin. So here are some properties of amyloglycoside antibiotics. So these are water soluble. They are used as sulfate salt in the form of sulfate. They are not orally absorbed. They are polycations. They not penetrate blood-brain barrier and CSF. They are rapid excrete in unchanged form as we given it. They remain pass as in similar form. They are used in treatment of gram-negative bacteria. Mainly myeloglycosides are used to treat gram-negative septicemia. They are bactericidal, means they kill the bacteria, and bacteriostatic is another term which means they inhibit the growth of bacteria. So here is bactericidal, means it kills the bacteria. They have narrow margin of safety. They cause ototoxy and nephrotoxicity. Ototoxy means it in, it causes damage to the sensory cells of the ear. Atom means it connected to the ear, and nephro means it connected to the kidney. In kidney it damages mainly the PCT part, so they cause toxicity there. So here is the mechanism of action of amyloglycoside antibiotics. They act on the 50S subunit of the ribosome. Here it is bind and block the initiation complex. That leads to miscoding of the protein and block transfer location. मिसकोडिंग होएगी तो सेल की इंटीग्रिटी चेंज हो जाएगी. इंटीग्रिटी चेंज हो जाएगी तो सेल मोर परमिएबल हो जाएगी, जिससे सेल की डेथ हो जाएगी. प्रोटीन वहाँ से लीक आउट करता रहेगा. सो इट इनहिबिट बैक्टीरियल प्रोटीन सिंथेसिस. फार्माकोकाइनेटिक्स, एब्जॉर्प्शन इन जीआईटी नहीं होता है इसका. एब्जॉर्प्शन बाय आईएम रूट रैपिड है. Low tendency to bind with plasma protein, so it does not reach in milk and CSF. Amyloglycoside antibiotics have low tendency to bind with the plasma protein, so their withdrawal is limited. Excretion, they, as I say earlier, remain unchanged form, and it excrete mainly by kidney. The next is the use of amyloglycoside antibiotic. It is used for local and systemic infection. Streptomycin for bovine mastitis, TB, and leptospirosis. Gentamicin is a drug of choice for gram-negative septicemia. Toxicity discussed earlier, ototoxy and nephrotoxy. Neuromuscular blockade, They result in skeletal muscle paralysis. This lead to respiratory arrest and death. They are contraindicated in pregnancy, means pregnant anyone में नहीं दे सकते. Spectinomycin is for gram positive. They bind with 30th subunit. The use of spectinomycin in fowl cholera in poultry. एपेरामाइसिन बैक्टीरिसाइडल ग्राम पॉजिटिव एक्ट करेगा. एपेरामाइसिन को हम कैट्स में यूज़ नहीं करते. इसका यूज क्या है? फॉर कोलिबैसिलोसिस और साल्मोनोलिसिस. सो दिस इज़ द टॉपिक टुडे. होप यू लाइक द वीडियो. थैंक यू.